Hey guys, I have a fun pattern for you today. I'm calling it the snake pattern and it is made using half hitches. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 2 pieces of rope, each piece is approximately 2 meters long. Please keep in mind that I had some cord left over after completing this pattern. A helpful tip when measuring out your cord lengths: for this pattern, the 2 outside cords will be used as your working cords and will use more rope than the 2 filler cords in the middle. Fold the 2 cords in half and attach them to your work using Lark's head knots. Using the cord on the left, tie 4 half hitches around the 2 middle cords. Repeat on the right side of your work. Continue this pattern to create your desired length. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.